Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to stop apps from running on your Android phone. Sometimes, apps can continue running in the background even when you are not actively using them. Stopping unnecessary apps can help reduce background activity and may improve your phone's battery and performance. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and look for Apps, App Management, or Applications. Tap on it to see the apps installed on your phone. Find the app that you want to stop and tap on it. Once you open the app information page, look for an option called Force Stop. Tap on Force Stop. A confirmation message may appear asking if you want to force stop the app. Tap OK or Force Stop to confirm. The app will now stop running. Keep in mind that force stopping an app does not uninstall it or delete your personal data. It simply stops the app from running at that moment. If you open the app again, it will start running normally. You can also manage which apps are allowed to run in the background. Depending on your Android phone, open the app's settings and look for options such as battery, background activity, or battery usage. You may be able to restrict background activity for apps that do not need to run continuously. For example, if an app does not need to send you notifications or update information in the background, restricting its background activity may help reduce battery usage. However, be careful when restricting important apps. Some apps need to run in the background to provide notifications, messages, location services, or other features. If you stop or restrict an important app, some of its features may not work correctly until you open the app again. If you want to stop several apps, you can repeat the same process for each app. Just open Settings, go to Apps, select the app, and choose Force Stop. The exact names and locations of these settings can be different depending on your Android phone and Android version. If you cannot find the Force Stop option, open Settings and use the search bar to look for Force Stop or App Info. And that's it. You now know how to stop apps from running on your Android phone. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.